Kasang NPP apo Mekhalea kelana klan bor ka barang mikisngi. Haba ka Fratarik orang arajar arpuar. Sa uwe pat uwe Mla Barim Jong kasang kongres ulimisan sangma wala penyeso pat kenika parti wala penyang soba yu haka jalang ke belakang haka office juga NPP hapo los mier celong. Haka ni jalang dalang ru kona sangma borong ubu national president jong parti haka wala pen pa ko jeng sokmen baki nomi khmat bat kirurang ba kinana penyeso bat kenika parti kabat peni bagani ka parti kalana klan namar ke ditrikam ha jongka hapo ka sarkar.
I would like to take this opportunity to welcome our former MLA of RiKhasi constituency, Mr. Lemison D. Sangma, into the NPP family. He had resigned from the Congress party yesterday, and along with his numerous supporters from his area, he has joined the NPP today, and we are all very happy, and we welcome him into the NPP family. And I'm sure that with his entry into the National People's Party, the party will grow from strength to strength, not only in RiKhasi constituency, but also in the whole of Garo Hills region and the Meghalaya state as a whole.